another day of the Beatles Advent Calendar unboxing that has stretched out for months. We're on day 15. We're getting towards the end of it now, but that's okay. We have a big old box of which I'm very curious what is in it today. So, we're gonna find out. Like, this one has more heft to it than the last one, but I don't hear anything. But I feel it. So I'm like, fabric maybe? Leather? What do we got? Something thick and bulky. Oh, wait. Wait. Is this a toad or a... Wait. What? No. Theater 3 Productions present the first New York appearance of the Beatles Carnegie. Oh, this is fucking cool. So it's like on canvas, right? I may need to iron it to get the wrinkles out, but like, what is this? It's got. Does it say what it is? Made of cotton. It's got like this little corner on it. Huh. I'm not 100% sure. But I mean, I think it's just a wall hanging, but it's cool though. It's cool. Like, does it list somewhere? I'm trying to not cheat, like, but I think I am going to take a peek at the page that came with it that says what the things are and see if I can get a hint from that of what this is supposed to be. So hold on. Apparently it's a tea towel. Okay. From that fabric, I wouldn't have guessed that, but like, okay, that's kind of cool though. Like, alright. I'm here for it. That's a very unique tea towel, but okay. Cool. I dig it. So, anyways, that's a useful one. I mean, I wouldn't want to stain it, but at the same time, I mean, there's no pictures really on it. So, I mean, even if it did, wouldn't be the end of the world. So, you know. Anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya. And there she is. Yeah, interesting choice to put it in a bathroom, but I figure it's cloth. It can be washed. More importantly, it's it's covering the hole in the wall I don't want my dad to see that's been there for a few years. So